Once upon a time in the bustling kingdom of Eldoria, where tradition clashed with modernity, Princess Serafina stood out as an unusual royal. She wasn't just known for her grace or her glittering tiaras, but for her unwavering dedication to justice. The lawyer Princess Serafina was the youngest daughter of King Alden and Queen Mirabelle, who ruled Eldoria with wisdom and care. Unlike her elder siblings, who were content with the lavish life of the palace, Serafina was fascinated by the struggles of the common folk. From a young age, she had a sharp mind and a keen sense of fairness. Instead of attending balls, she spent hours in the palace library, poring over legal texts and historical cases. Her interest turned into a mission after a fateful encounter. One day, while disguised and exploring the bustling streets of Eldoria, she witnessed a farmer being unfairly punished for allegedly trespassing on noble lands. Despite the farmer's pleas of innocence, the court ruled against him, favoring the noble due to their wealth and influence. That day, Serafina vowed to bring change. Against tradition, Serafina convinced her father to let her study law. The king, though skeptical, admired her resolve. She enrolled at the prestigious Eldoria University, where she faced challenges. Not only as a royal, but also as a woman in a field dominated by men, she faced challenges. However, her intelligence, empathy, and unyielding determination won over even the harshest critics. Upon graduating, Serafina returned to the palace. She returned not as a sheltered princess, but as the kingdom's first royal lawyer. She set up a courtroom within the castle grounds, open to anyone seeking justice. It wasn't long before her fame spread. The lawyer princess became a beacon of hope. Her most famous case involved the Duke of Rathmore, a powerful noble accused of exploiting minors in his territory. The minors, too afraid to speak out, had endured dangerous working conditions and unfair wages for decades. Serafina, learning of their plight, personally traveled to Rathmore disguised as a worker. She gathered evidence and encouraged the minors to testify, promising them protection. The trial was intense, with the Duke's lawyers trying every trick. They tried to discredit the minors and Serafina herself, but Serafina's sharp arguments, backed by her evidence and genuine compassion, left no room for doubt. The court ruled in favor of the minors, marking a turning point in Eldoria's legal system. The victory led to reforms that improved working conditions and ensured that justice was accessible to all, regardless of status. Serafina's courtroom became a symbol of fairness, inspiring neighboring kingdoms to adopt similar systems. As the years passed, Serafina balanced her royal duties with her legal work, becoming a beloved figure in Eldoria. Her story taught the kingdom that true leadership comes from serving others and standing up for what is right. And so, the lawyer princess, with her gavel and crown, continued to bring light to the shadows of injustice, proving that a single person, no matter their background, could change the course of history.